helping your users find the information they want on your website or in your app can be really challenging, especially with traditional search tools. Luckily, there's a whole new generation of AI-based search tools out there to help us. Hi, I'm Frans. I'm the CTO of NewOrbit, and my colleague Patrick is with me here today to talk about how NewOrbit helped Fizz Benefits add AI search to their product to help their customers. Hello, Patrick. Do you want to quickly introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi, Frans. I'm Patrick. I'm a developer at NewOrbit, working on client software on Azure.
Oh, fantastic. So that's great. Thanks for coming on today. Do you want to explain to us what the user experience used to be like before we made these changes and what you ended up doing and what the journey was like?
Sure. Fizz Benefits provides cashback and other various offers to its clients. So let me show you. So this is Fizz Benefits. So Fizz Benefits, we originally had a very basic text-based search. Let me show you. So if I type in Sainsbury's, you can see we get 3 results.
Yeah, and that's because it's only searching for the keywords in the descriptions, isn't it? We can't really, and it's very, very basic at that point. I think it searched for the whole phrase. Is that right in the original version?
Exactly. It searches for the name and it looks at also the description. So if you look at the description, we do encompass this data too, but it's not very powerful.
Cool. So what was the next step we did? What was the first thing we tried there?
So the first step we did was we added Azure search, which allowed us to improve the results. There's a lot more flexibility. So, for example, if I search for John Lewis, you can see obviously the retailer is at the very top, but we also do get other results, including a retailer that has John in the name. So it's just not ideal.
Yeah, I can see that because it's still very retailer focused and the user can't really look for what they want to get, right? So what happens if you search for something like a TV or something here in the old solution?
Yeah, so for example, if you wanted a large screen TV.
Oh yeah, I can see that. That's a broadband offer. I can't buy a TV from them, can I?
Exactly, yeah. It's just returning a lot of results that may include TV in the description. So it's not ideal. It's not necessarily what the user is looking for.
Gotcha. No, I can definitely see that is a problem. I mean, they can search if they know the retailer they want, they can find them, but they're not really going to find the kind of things they're after. So if I understand it correctly, with the Azure AI search, there's this new AI vector thing that can look for more meaning on what the user intended. Is that right?
Yes, that's exactly right. So we applied vector search to our Azure search, and the results were very impressive. Okay, so I've just enabled the vector search for Fizz Benefits. So before we search for large screen TV, so let's do that again to see the results. And yeah, now you can see television retailers, electronics retailers right at the top.
That's pretty incredible. I mean, so basically it's pretty obvious Azure search really sort of understanding your intent here rather than, just searching for words here. That's quite incredible. So Patrick, was this a lot of work to implement?
No, it actually wasn't that much work. With Azure OpenAI and the different options in Azure search, it's quite easy to generate these embeddings and then just pass those on to the search. Instead of passing on the keywords, you pass on the vector that you generated. That's really the only difference.
That is fantastic. Listen, Patrick, thanks very much for spending your time with me today to explain this. It's really fantastic. And I know we're working with several other clients to add this as well. So we will be talking more about this in time to come. So thank you very much for your time, Patrick.
Thank you.
As Patrick has shown us today, adding AI-based search can radically improve user outcomes in your existing applications and websites. Interestingly, this can also be combined with the whole new generation of intelligent bots that are coming out. So where bots can go and use semantic search to find information and then think about and process that information before it answers the user's queries and intents. And we will be publishing another video on that in due course. In the meantime, if you're interested in talking more about this, leave a comment below or message me directly. We're always happy to talk. NewOrbit develops software for a wide range of customers, and we also help other organizations who do their own development on Azure to get the most out of Azure. Thank you for your time today and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.